Hello guys, my name is Karan Patel. Welcome to the Fun with Python tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can detect your eyes, smile and face with identification area. Like if your eyes is detected, then the eyes is covered by black, green box or different kind of box, and face is covered by different kind of box. Let's check it out. So I didn't use the deep learning and machine learning algorithms to detect these specification ROI or what we can say region of interest, but I just use the Haar cascade models of OpenCV. So you can find this different kind of you can find the nose Haar cascade and multiple Haar cascade from this GitHub link. Okay, so please run the code and you find that okay, so this one is for smile and it's not cover the face, but the smile has Haar cascade is not the as accurate as I made the eye for eye and face. So this one is for smile. If you press accept key, then you escape from and don't need to kill the program. Okay, so this is for a smile and this is for initial for face and eye detection. Okay, so first go through this code. So while is equal to 1 video capture, it's enable the camera. If I put 0 because I use my laptop webcam, if you use your another different kind of camera, so put it as a 1. Okay, so just write this and read this cascade. Okay, this code for your eye and face detection with a different kind and cover with a different region. Like if my face is face is detected, then this color will be in a print, and if my eye is detected, then this color will be print. Okay, the eye and face detection algorithm and code which I made from Haar cascade is more accurate than smile. So let's check it out. So to run this, click on run F5 and okay, find this box. Okay, so you can see this is more accurate than smile because it detects my eyes. It's not so closer and increase your room light. Okay, so your face is covered with the box, and that's it. I took a screenshot for that. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video, and this is most probably this one is the last video for Python fun with Python, and after that I will shift to the medical image analysis and machine learning and deep learning algorithms. So it will take 2 or 3 days to generate the lectures. Thank you. I hope you like this tutorial Fun with Python. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, please mention it in a comment section.